Yo, what's up, people? Welcome back to a new vlog. Sorry for my appearance. Yeah, I got really bad news. I got water pox. It's like chicken pox. We call it water pox because the marks on the body looks like water droplets. But yeah, I can't touch water. But anyway, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, hit that like and subscribe button. Road to 600 subscribers. And sorry I couldn't upload like a normal vlog for 3 days or 2 days, I think, because I had like a headache for 3 days straight. It wasn't nice. But now woke up this morning. I still have a headache a little bit, but yeah, it's getting better. So yeah, let me tell y'all about the war of Iran and America and Israel. Well, currently our South African president wants to like be part of it. That's nice. And I'm joking, it's bad news. Like our president is putting us in danger. Like just leave, just mind your bus- business, not to be rude, but please leave the war alone. Like just imagine freaking sleeping at 3 a.m. and a freaking whole army of soldiers just like storms inside of your freaking house. That would be insane. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, hit that like and subscribe button to watch some more. And it's been Rian. See you guys in the next vlog.